but one that free critical reasoning 2-hour workshop that happened, that was a complete change of my mind. I mean, after doing that workshop, I came to know many things actually. I came to know that so many things I usually skip while solving the questions. I do get right answers, I get wrong answers. When I get right, I don't know why I got right. I just think that I know everything. When I get wrong, I don't bother to, I just read through the official explanation or the explanation given on GMAT Club. That's all I do. And I think that that question is done. I remember still we solved one question in 2 hours in that free workshop. Yeah, two questions, I think. So 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes per question was taken. And the amount of nitty gritties that we deep dived into in that one question, uh, that was really an eye opener for me. And the complete course was extremely good. I myself saw a huge improvement in my score in my practice during my preparation. uh, I was able to solve hard questions, very hard questions, confidently, without uh, there was nothing that I didn't know. Couple of things I missed, and that's when I made wrong choices in critical reasoning and sentence correction. But yeah, apart from that, there was nothing that I didn't know. Uh, so that was a huge thing. Saw an improvement of, I think, around 20 to 25 points improvement in accuracy. My concepts were actually not clear. So after sentence correction, my concepts became very clear. Exactly, like you need to know what are modifiers, what role they are playing in the sentence, what are uh, how to identify parallelism, how to fix it, verb ing modifier, and all those things. There are lots and lots of things. All those things, were when I did this, when I understood this, uh, conceptually, my concepts became very clear. Fundamentals became strong. Applied it, practiced it, and again saw an improvement in the score. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, there is one thing that is that the best part of the course was uh, the best part of the course was there are so many things that I'm sure every single one attending this course, they won't be knowing that okay, this is the thing I didn't even uh, see at this thing. I made this mistake and I was not aware. A lot of times this happened during our classes. uh, People used to just skip things, and then they realized once Anish sir or Chiranjeev sir they solved it. And did you guys even spot this error? Were you able to think this? Were you able to ask yourself why this is written? Answer was no. No one in the session was able to, everyone was making same type of errors. And that's the best part of this session, that you won't learn something out of the box, that okay, there's, oh my god, this is the formula for the success. This is how you get success. There is no such thing. And the things that you will learn, they are countless things you will learn, but all those things you will are just an eye opener. What you used to do, what you thought that was right, but actually it was very wrong. And that's why your preparation was not reflected properly during the examination. That's what happened with me and many others I know. So that was I mean this session was extremely good. And pre and post session workouts were everything was explained very properly. They were not it was not a usual thing that what you used to find in Manhattan books or official guides. That was not. It was very interactive. That is the term. The pre-session workouts, the language that was used, that was very interactive. And the post-session questions, that were also very good questions, and they were really very helpful. And the videos in the pre-session, the concepts, all those things. And just by reading the pre-session, you'll be able to, understand. There is nothing. Even the beginner would understand. Okay, this is what we are going to do in the session, and this is what it means. Like I think most important ones are for sentence correction, because there are lots and lots of jargons for sentence correction. So So the doubt handling in the session, uh, that is one thing that I liked about the session. Each and every doubt were clarified by the end of the session, whether it takes, session was extended by 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or even half an hour. I've seen every session, all the doubts were clarified completely. I had a lot of doubts. Each and every doubt, each and every doubts were clarified on a personal level. It was not that this online and there are so many people, so not every query will be read or replied to. Every single query was answered, and by the time the session ended, actually I had complete clarity on that particular topic. That was the best thing. No queries were left unanswered. uh, all the Whether it's a very basic one, something that how can this person, this type of query, everything, every single query was answered, whether it's a big query, whether it's a very big doubt or small doubt, anything. So patiently answering the queries, I mean, uh, that is very good thing about this GMAT intensive. Yeah, so the tutors are actually very good. The the way they explained things, or both of them, Anish sir and Chiranjeev sir, the way they explained things uh, was, I like the way they explained things, and making each and every concept very clear, uh, uh, exploring all the doubts that could arise from that point. Like I remember for critical reasoning, you know, critical reasoning, when we used to solve some question, there could be many points that you could have, many gaps could be there in the reasoning in the question. Uh, the good point was that we used to discuss, Anish sir and Chiranjeev sir used to discuss so many points that it used to cover almost everything. So it's not like that they just this is one gap, this is second gap, and that's it, and now you proceed answering, and luckily you get the question right. So that was not the thing. We used to discuss 10 gaps, 11 gaps in one question, completely deep dive into it, and that's how that I like that thing a lot about the uh, that you explore it till there is nothing left in that question. Uh, Same goes for critical reasoning. I mean, sorry, same goes for sentence correction in that Chiranjeev sir. Every single error that can be there in the sentence, every single error you have to spot. It's not that you are, I mean, we didn't attend the session to get the questions right. We attended the session to know how to do the question right and know how to perform on the exam. So every single error in every single option were discussed, spotted, and the reasoning was discussed. The doubts around it, why this was an error in the sentence, why this is not an error. Sometimes we thought that this should not be an error. This is fine. Every single thing was explored in critical reasoning, sentence correction. RCs, there is no, you have to read and understand the passage and answer the questions based on that. There was, in that also, I mean, we used to think that just getting the right answer right is the only thing. But actually, there also getting the, you need to understand why a wrong choice was wrong. Is it wrong because it's not mentioned in the passage? I still remember that the way he taught. Is this option wrong because it is not mentioned in the passage, or is it wrong because something else around it is mentioned in the passage? Why is it wrong? I never. That's the that was the best part about this session, and the best part about the teachers, that they used to explore each and everything, uh, whether it's RC, CR, SC, each and every aspect of the question they used to explore. And even though the question was taking, even though we solved one question in 1 hour, 1.5 hours, doesn't matter. We used to solve this until we understood completely. and that was the best part. I didn't do it earlier, but now I started to do, and I've seen a lot of improvement. So that's exactly because the reasoning is very important. You should know why you are crossing out an answer. You should know that why you are, why a particular option is correct. So that is, I think that is very, very important in the preparation. Definitely, I would recommend this course to others. Uh, this course, the methodologies, the process that we use to solve questions in this session, they are genuinely good, and it's a very good training. That's for sure.